Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day number 28 of our 60 days live trading campaign. Hope this campaign is helping you all. I'm getting lots of positive responses, lots of feedback telling that you're able to continue the journey along with me. You're able to guess the market along with me. You're able to find the trend along with me. So any more feedback, any more suggestions, any more improvements, please do give me a feedback so that will improve. The quote for today is no matter how small you start, always dream big. Okay, this is not only related to trading but also to your life, to your dreams. And to take the example in our trading situation, trading case as well, we all started with a small capital. You can see with just 50,000 we started, and the returns we were targeting only hardly 1,000 to 1,500. But today you can see as of now we have reached almost 14 to 15,000 rupees by consistently maintaining this strategy. So this is the specialty of maintaining small but dreaming big. Okay. So before going forward, a just quick update of my options trading tactics program. It's not just teaching the strategy, it is about learning how the adjustments to be done so that you are in profit. So it will be a 6 months program, and in case if you want any details, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And yeah, so the stock traded today was once again Reliance, and Reliance saved us previous day as well. So today also Reliance has saved us. So around 12:34 we had very clear indication that the stock was trending. So then we decided to go for the trending situation. The target and stop losses has to be calculated, since we did yesterday also. I mean, the day before yesterday also, we know that the target is 8 rupees and the stop loss is 5 rupees, and the quantity automatically is 200. So immediately we are placing the sell order as well. So we are placing the sell order for 1333 and 1332, a trigger price of 1 rupee. Okay, so both the orders have been placed similarly as always we do. So you can see that both orders has been placed, and then end of the day we were able to make profit, the profit of around 1600. So immediately let us update into our Excel sheet as always. So once again Reliance has come to our party, come to us, save us. So the profit is 1600. So you can see that day number 28 we all started slowly, small, silently, and then we are able to amass the profit. We are able to make good decent returns, almost 14,000 returns with an investment of 50,000 capital. Though your capital is not fully utilized, I keep it for safety purpose. In case if there's any drawdown, we need capital to trade and return back the losses. So you can see the journey, how neatly, how smoothly it is going on. Though there are lots of losses, the profits are still saving us because our ratio is very good. Also our money management is good, also because our trading discipline is good. So all this will be a part of our trading tactics. So it will be also, in case if you want to learn this trend analysis and also want to join the journey, you can also join with us. So any other further doubts, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.